Quantum Touch 100 and 300 Cleaning. Clean and flush. There are two programs. Flushing is the automatic rinsing of hoses and drains with hot water. In addition to flushing, cleaning also includes cleaning the cooling box, exterior and drip tray. Cleaning. A cleaning symbol appears in the display on preset days. You can also start the cleaning program, cleaning or flushing, in the maintenance menu. All steps are shown in the display. Press Enter to execute an action or press Stop to abort the program. Press the user menu icon in the display. Press the settings icon. Press Maintenance. Press Start Cleaning. The cleaning program step by step. Take the product packs out of the cooling compartment. Clean the cooling compartment. Use a brush to clean the dosing spouts openings. Dry the cooling compartment with a paper towel. Press Enter to continue. Place the product packs back in the cooling compartment. Place a container, with a capacity of at least 3 liters, on the drip tray under the spouts. Press Enter to continue. Press Enter to start flushing. Caution: very hot water flows from the outlets. Remove the container and empty it when the flushing procedure is completed. Caution: the water in the container is very hot. Clean the exterior and empty the drip tray. Place the clean drip tray back. Press the home icon. Press the user button or arrow to exit the menu. The machine is now ready for use. Enjoy your cup of coffee. Thank you for your attention.